Recovering deleted messages on Crunchyroll can be challenging, as the platform does not provide a direct way to restore them. However, you can try the following steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look through your email for any notifications from Crunchyroll. If you received messages via email, you might find the content there. Step 2. Review your account activity. Log into your Crunchyroll account and check your activity log. Sometimes recent interactions on messages may still be visible. Step 3. Contact Crunchyroll support. Reach out to Crunchyroll's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you wish to recover, and they may assist you further. Step 4. Check for backups. If you have previously backed up your device or data, check those backups to see if any messages were saved. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. As a last resort, consider using third-party data recovery tools that may help retrieve deleted data from your device, but ensure they are reputable and safe to use. If these steps do not yield results, it may be difficult to recover deleted messages. Always remember to back up important conversations in the future.